A warm welcome to this session on making samples of casing. At the end of the session, you will be able to prepare fold down casing, prepare applied casing.
Tools and equipments required. Lock stitch sewing machine, 1 number. Iron box, 1 number. Hand needle, 1 number. Scissors, 1 number. Dressmaker spin, 1 box. Long cloth or poplin, 1 meter. Sewing thread, 1 number. Casing. A casing is a fabric tunnel through which elastic or drawstring can be threaded to pull in or draw up the fabric. Casing can be used at sleeves and pants hems as well as for garment waistbands. The most common use of casings is for waistbands on pull-on pants and skirts, pyjamas, etc. It is best suited for straight edges. Waistline casings are practical because they can be adjusted easily to change in waist measurement. Merely tighten or loosen the drawstring elastic. A casing should be 6 cm wider than the elastic or drawstring, so the elastic or drawstring can move easily through the tunnel, but not so loose that it twists easily. There are 2 types of casing: fold down casing, applied casing. Fold down casing. Fold down casing is the most common technique usually found everywhere and usually used by the beginners for quick stitching. A fold down casing is formed by turning an extension at the garment edge to the inside and stitching it in place. Fold down casing can be classified into 2 types: casing with drawstring, casing with elastics. Prepare fold down casing. The steps to prepare fold down casing: mark the fitting line, fold 1 cm to the wrong side. Fold along the fitting line to make the tunnel. Pin and tuck the casing, then press. Machine stitch along the upper and lower edges of casing. Leave an opening of approximately 4 cm on the lower edge. Backstitch at both the open ends of lower edge. Applied casing. An applied casing consists of a separate strip of fabric that is stitched to the area to be drawn upon either the outside or the inside of the garment. If the casing is inside but the drawstring is required outside, provision is to be made to lead the drawstring outside. This can be done with buttonhole or with opening with the seam. An applied casing may be sewn on one-piece garment that has no waistline seam. The applied casing also acts as facing for a top edge of pants and skirts and the lower edge of blouses and jackets. Applied casing from outside may be of same color or contrast color. Applied casing can be classified into 2 types: inside applied casing, outside applied casing. Both the inside and outside applied casing can be used in the waistline of jackets, dresses, pants, etc. Prepare applied casing. The steps to prepare applied casing: place and pin the casing on waistline, right side of the casing and wrong side of petticoat together. Start to pin from placket. Take care that balance marks on casing match the side seam lines and the center of petticoat. Bast and stitch at a distance of 0.75 cm from raw edge. Turn the petticoat to right side and fold the casing up, that is, turn by 180 degrees. Press the seam allowance flat to casing piece. Finish the raw edges of casing on sides. Turn the edge first by 0.5 cm and then by 1 cm. Hem covering the seam allowance. Fold down casing on the center line and pin the casing on the right side covering the previous seam line. Match the balance marks with the side seam lines of the petticoat. Bast and top stitch through all layers. Top stitch a parallel stitch line at a distance of 0.5 cm. Keep the material under needle and pressure foot. Lift the pressure foot and pivot material by 90 degrees. Stitch 0.5 cm up. Pivot material again, etc. Casing with drawstring. Casing with drawstring is one of the types of fold down casing. Using a drawstring instead of an elastic in the casing is called as casing with drawstring. A drawstring is a cord, ribbon or strap of fabric used to draw fabric through a casing, allowing you to tighten your garment. Any piece of cord, trimming, ribbon or fabric could become a drawstring. Ribbons add a more feminine touch, while cords are great for projects requiring sturdy fastenings like bags. One can also experiment with different colors and add personal touch by using contrasting materials. This type of casing is generally used in petticoats, pull-on pajamas, yoga pants, etc. One thing about a drawstring is that there has to be an opening for the string tails to get outside the casing. There are several ways to do this. One is to leave the center front or side seams open. Another way is to sew two buttonholes, one for each tail end on either side of the center front. Recap.
In this session, we have learnt how to prepare fold down casing, how to prepare applied casing. Hope you have understood all the concept in this session. See you in the next session with a new concept. Thank you.